Have you ever thought about starting your own fashion business? Imagined the thrill of seeing your designs on a runway, in a magazine, or worn by a passerby on the street? It's a dream that many hold, but few dare to pursue. But with a little bit of guidance and a lot of determination, you could turn that dream into a reality. Step 1. Establish your brand. Deciding your brand identity is an essential first step. It's more than just a name. It's about the style, the message, the target audience, and the values your brand will embody. It's about creating an image that people will associate with your fashion line. Step 2. Create your designs. This is where your creativity really comes into play. Sketch out your ideas, experiment with different fabrics, and don't be afraid to push boundaries. Remember, the world of fashion thrives on innovation. Step 3. Source your materials. Once you've got your designs, you need to find the right materials to bring them to life. This could involve finding reliable suppliers for fabrics, or even partnering with local artisans. It's a crucial step that requires careful planning and research. Step 4. Manufacture your clothes. This could mean hiring a team of skilled sewers, or finding a reliable factory that can produce your designs to a high standard. Quality control is paramount here, as your reputation will be built on the quality of your products. Finally, Step 5. Market and sell your clothes. This involves everything from creating a stunning website and harnessing the power of social media to organizing fashion shows and getting your clothes into stores. It's about getting your designs out there and into the wardrobes of your target audience. In summary, starting your own fashion business involves establishing your brand, creating your designs, sourcing your materials, manufacturing your clothes, and marketing and selling your products. It's a journey that requires creativity, planning, and a whole lot of determination. But the reward of seeing your creations being worn and admired, that's priceless. So why not take that first step today?